I'm going to answer numbers 31 and 32 together because I don't want you to get these two questions confused. Number 31 is asking whether these given sets of points could just represent the sides of a triangle. And then 32 wants to know if they could represent the sides of a right triangle. So these are not the same question. Remember, for three sides to be the sides of of a triangle, the two smaller sides just have to add up to be bigger than the longest side. Okay, so this C represents the longest side. So if we're looking at A, the two smaller ones add up to be exactly the longest one. That does not make a triangle. Remember, that makes that flat line. On number B, the two smaller ones, 2 plus 4, is bigger than 5. So this can be the sides of a triangle. 2 plus 2 is not greater than 5. And here, be careful, this is the longest side. 10 plus 1 is not bigger than 12. On number 32, to be a right triangle, remember they have to satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Again, c is the longest side. It's the hypotenuse. And so when you're testing that out, you always want to pay attention to which one is the longest side. That's what you would potentially try for the hypotenuse. So when I'm trying these, I would do 10 squared, which is 100, plus 11 squared, which is 121, to see if it equals the longest one squared, which is 144. That does not equal, so those are not the sides of a right triangle. On the next one, 11 squared is 121, 24 squared is 576, and 25 squared is 625. That does not equal. When you add these, you do not get 625. So those are not the sides of a right triangle. On part C, 12 squared is 144, 16 squared is 256, and 20 squared is 400. And again, when we add those together, we get 400. So yes, that does work for the sides of a right triangle. 144 plus 256 is 400. The last one doesn't work because 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and 5 squared is 25. 4 plus 9 does not equal 25.